Let's keep this version. And next thing we are going to do is the buttons. For go back to the home button, replay button, like button, it will all be the same way as the button we created before in the previous tutorial. So we just do a quick we will do a quick tutorial in here, or maybe later. Let's finish the level failed menu first. So because the level failed menu only happened when level failed, which is timer goes down to 0. We go back to the update. So under this statement, we need to enable the level failed menu by using enable level failed. Actually, simply enable level failed equal to true. Set in here. And of course, this will be in the data center. Save this script, go back to the data center, and create a variable called enable level failed, and set to false for default. So go down to the on GUI function. So in here, we need to put data center enable level failed. If it's equal to true, then we create level failed menus here. Let's take a look in the game real quick. So when game loaded, it's supposed not to show up anything in here, so it's correct. Then we hope if we're going well, okay, it shows up. The next thing we are going to do is when we hit the replay button, then it will disappear. If we hit home button and then come back, it will also disappear. Okay, so for doing this, we also need to set data center enable failed to true. In here. And set to false. Because we want when gameplay page is loaded, and everything will reset to default. Let's check again. So waiting timer count down to 0. And the level failed pops up, and we hit the replay button. Okay, it's gone. We hit home button and come back again. It's gone. Okay. Now we can add more in the level failed menu. So the button will be, we can simply just copy these three in here. And put this one, put the replay button in the center first. So we copy this one in here. And because it's in the center and it's 64 by 64, so you need to minus 32 to make it in the center. And the screen height will be down a bit. Let's say screen height divided by 2 and see how well it looks like. Let's uncomment this first. And also uncomment this one. For a quick test, we might want to set the countdown to a lower number, like 3 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the button is in here. Maybe you want to make a button bigger. So let's say 128 by 128 divide and minus to 64. It should be okay. So let's uncomment these. This home button will in the left of the replay button. So we simply copy this one. Copy this one. The height will be the same. And the width will be the move left to how many 0 and divide 128. Let's take a look. Ooh, bunch of arrows. Oh, we need to put a column here. Three, two, one, go. Okay, we need to move at least 64 more. So will be 190, 192 in here. And the other one will be, let's take a look. Move to the right, 64. Divided by 2, 128 by 128. Maybe plus 64. Let's try again. Oh, the height is the same. Okay, looks alright. So we might need to fix this a little bit, but for now it's good enough. So we hit this button, we're supposed to open the website page or UFM page. Okay, let's close this one. If we hit replay, it should reload this page. Okay, it's reload. Okay, we'll go to the home page, come back again. Okay, everything is fine. So these are the level failed menu.